Hello friends, today we are going to learn about defining member functions in C++. Member functions can be defined in two ways. First one is outside the class definition. Second one is inside the class definition. Now let us understand how to declare function outside class definition. Consider one syntax for this. Now let us understand this syntax for defining function outside class. First one we have to write return type of a function, then followed by class name. Remember here we have to write scope resolution operator in order to define function. This is a class name in which the function is declared. Here function name is a name of function which is declared inside this class name. This is a scope resolution operator, and then this is nothing but argument declaration, or we can say that list of parameters. These are formal parameters. This is a function body where actual code of function is present. This is the way of defining function outside class. Another way is inside class. Now function is defined inside class as a regular function. For example, return type of function, then function name, argument declaration if any, then there is a function body. This is a way of defining function inside class. Now let us understand how to define function outside the class definition and inside the class definition. For this we will take one example to understand this concept of defining function outside class and inside class. Consider a class student, int roll number, float, marks. In public section we will write here void get data integer a float b, void put data void. Let us understand with the help of example how to define functions outside the class definition and inside the class definition. Now in this example we have created a class, name is student. In this class these are nothing but data members. These data members are having scope private by default. Inside public section there are two things. This is nothing but a function declaration, not function definition. Function declaration means prototype of a function. We have seen what is prototype of a function. Prototype of a function tells compiler return type of a function, name of function, and number of parameters with the data types. This is a function declaration, and this is nothing but a definition of a function. Function put data has been defined over here. Let us see the syntax. See here we have already seen inside class definition the function is defined like this. This is in green color. Return type of a function, name of function, argument, and function body. In this case return type is void, put data, name of function, void is nothing but arguments of function, and this is a function body. This is nothing but a function definition. Now how function is defined outside of a class. This is a function which is defined outside of a class. This is the syntax of defining function outside class. First return type, class name, and we have to write scope resolution operator between function name and class name, and then argument list. Here return type is void. Student is nothing but a class name in which function is declared. Which one function? This function is declared. So to define this function we have to first write name of a class, then scope resolution operator, name of a function, and then parameters. This x and y are formal parameter. Here I will write a and b are actual parameters, and x and y are formal parameters. X and y are formal parameters. Okay, now let us understand how this will work. First one, always program will start its execution from main. Now in this main function, first object of class student is created. Now, when object is created, memory is allocated for data members of that particular class. This is nothing but in-memory representation. This is, for example, memory, and in this memory, when we create object of a class, here say object is created yes. For example, object is created yes. For S, roll number will be, for S there will be roll number, and for the same years there will be marks. This will belong to roll number and marks will belong to yes. Now in this way, whenever object of a class is created, memory for the data members for that particular class is allocated, and these data members will belong to this particular object. Therefore yes, we have two data members here. See, in this particular class there are two data members. Therefore, for these two data members, memory will be allocated. Roll number and marks. This roll number and marks will belong to object yes. Next one here, by using object name and dot operator. This is a dot operator. Object name and dot operator function is called. This is nothing but a function call. Function call. This function will transfer control to the function definition. Where is function definition? This is the function definition where control will be transferred. Therefore this get data will cause this function will cause invoke of this function definition. Therefore we are passing here two arguments, 25 and 89.50. This first argument will be copied into x and second will be copied into y, and inside this function definition we have assigned value x to roll number and y to marks. Value of x is 25, which will be assigned to roll number. Since this function is called by using object s, this roll number belongs to this object s. Therefore value of x given to roll number will be assigned into this roll number, which one here, which is belong to this particular yes. Therefore value of roll number will be 25. Again value of y will be given to marks, means 89, this value 89.50 will be given to marks. Therefore value of marks will be 89.50. Now in this way we have invoked or called a function and values have been assigned here. Next one is put data function. Now put data, this is also another function call. This will cause control to transfer to the function definition, where this is the definition of function. Put data function is defined over here. Now put data function definition, see out roll number. This type of output will be generated. Here I will write output this roll number and value of this roll number is here. As this yes has invoked this here, as this has been invoked by yes, whatever values are stored with this object, values of variables stored with this object will be accessed. Therefore values of, there are two variables associated with object yes, roll number and marks. Therefore roll number is roll number. What value of roll number we have stored here? 25. 25 will be given. Again marks will be displayed here, marks 89.50. In this way function is defined outside class. This is the in this way function is defined outside class. This is nothing but a function which is defined outside class. You can see here syntax of defining outside and compare with this also. And this is nothing but a function which is defined inside class. This is function which is defined inside class. We can see this one here, syntax of defining function inside class. In this way here we have created only one object. If we create another object, for example s2, then again roll number and marks will be associated with s2. Thank you.